Good morning, fishermen. Awaho's down there. It's going to get some fish. Good morning, fishermen. Got a fish on. Right at the end of the cast. They are in here. Gotta keep that line tight, especially when they jump. Make sure your hooks are sharp. I use a little diamond steel to sharpen my hooks. Buy them from hunting and fishing or any good sports store. Gets them nice and sharp. Going round in circles. This one was right at the end of the cast, like 30-35 metres. It's a bit lively. Oh, there we go. Fantastic little bullet. These little fish are some stunning condition, eh? Go on.